My country people, make una come here tori o. Wahala not too much. Judy Astins ukwanyike. My country people, not be small thing o. Make una come hear wetin happen between Judy Austin and Yul Edochie. They say what God cannot do does not exist. God don finally dey disgrace dem small small. Yul Edochie and Judy Austin, una no see una life. My people, make una come hear tori o. Yul Edochie and Judy Austin no gbasgbo serious fight for inside their apartment. My people, not be small thing o. All because of car gifts presented to our beautiful queen, which was even rejected. My people, make una come hear tori o. No be small matter. My country people, make I yarn una koko, make I tell una wetin happen for inside their apartment o. My people, my people, una know say I tell una say Yul Edochie present God gift to our beautiful queen, which she rejected it. Say that one cannot be her problem. Say she don pass that level when be say in fact anything concerning Yul Edochie may not dey concern her. May Yul Edochie not dey say anything come dey give her again. My country people, we all know say she rejected that car gift. My country people, now my people, Judy Austin wan die because of car gift when Yul Edochie send go give our beautiful queen wey she even reject to. My people, not be small matter o. They say before Yul Edochie send this car gift go give our beautiful queen, say e no let Judy Austin know. Judy Austin was not aware, or according to the information. My people, I don't know whether na truth o. My people, not be small matter o. They say the moment that guy return that car back home, my country people, Yul Edochie come put that car for sale. Say he wan sell that car because he need the money back. My country people, we all know say Yul Edochie be send that car go give our beautiful queen to see try whether he go fit try dey make peace with our beautiful queen. We all know say never see sign the divorce paper until now. Our beautiful queen reject that car, say she no need that. My country people, so when he bring her back, my people, Yul Edochie say he wan sell the car because where for bring that money come. In fact, he even go borrow that money when they buy that car, so he need to sell and make go fill am back for where for collect the money. My country people, they say the moment they return that car back home, Judy Austin see the car. He come ask Yul Edochie say, where you for see this car where you want put for sale? So how come? He come be say na you want sell car, who you do help take the sell car? Then no two of them know say anything when Yul Edochie want do go must surely let Judy Austin know say see wetin he want do. And beside nah my country people, not be small matter o. Even though say they want help anybody advertise something, the Judy Austin and Yul Edochie go must surely dey aware say they want do advert for person. My country people, now Yul Edochie come carry car come and say he wan sell car when be say Judy Austin not dey aware say see where for bring that car. They not get any deal when be say two of the gather sign. So they say na so katakata take start to. Yul Edochie not gree tell am say see how come about that car. My country people, they say later Judy Austin come later go find that letter when be say he attached to that car, when be say Yul Edochie put join that car go give our beautiful queen. He not even remember to say he want keep the envelope where you know say na him and juju dey inside house. Na ekpe juju bag of garri na two of the gather dey inside house, when be say he knows they smell everything dey go like a rat when they smell fish where they keep fish. My country people, they say na so Judy Austin go find that envelope. The moment she see that envelope, she see and say he write and say na gift when be say he go present give our beautiful queen when be say reject. My people, they say Judy Austin look up, look down, be like say may open ground, make ground swallow am. My country people, not be small matter o. My people, make I tell una wetin happen between these two people after Judy Austin don see the car, the letter. My country people, according to the information, my country people, they say na so Judy Austin call Yul Edochie. This moment now, they say Yul Edochie don already comot for house. My country, thinking that everything is okay. No knowing Judy Austin see the search they go. You want know about how come about that car. My country people, not be small matter o. They say na so he called Yul Edochie come back as well. The moment Yul Edochie you see Judy Austin call they say he might fair fly because you know say that woman when they got that day house now it's that is na rat na that woman be which is Judy Austin. So my people, they say na so Yul Edochie come back. At the moment they come back, I carry that letter face and carry the gift and the car face and say, would not be your wife, your wife you send this thing go give, how come you want do this thing, you not let him know? And beside two of you now, when be two of them when be say the guy that they say he don't take a disgrace for everybody hand. Everybody don't see her as a bad person, which in a bad person and you be Judy Austin, you know that one before. We don't need to with the online laws, we don't need to remember you say you are a bad person. We everybody know that one as a drama devil queen. So my country people, they say na so kata take start o. Judy Austin say all because of Yul Edochie na so everybody dey drag am. Now e no even dey see any deal again, no dey see contract again. Nobody dey gree call am for Nollywood say make come act film. Even the husband sef, the Yul Edochie, nobody dey gree call am say oya come make we come shoot again, because even though say they call them for any movie, the movie now e no kukuma dey sell, e no dey sell again. So for them to even feed now say dem wan see money take buy something, say e dey hard dem. How can take see this money when take buy gift say one carry go give our beautiful queen may when be say they never see food eat for inside house. My country people, they say na so kata they bust to my country people, not be smart no. Judy Austin say even they think how he want to find Sarah Martin 1 million make it return her, so that Sarah Martin will start to the drag am for line, stop to the disgrace her follow everywhere. He never sit down. Why be say Yul Edochie not give her that money, make him make that sacrifice for her, say yeah take this money go pay Sarah Martin back for the money when be say she dey take do have. And besides this money, so he say na him and Yul Edochie na the guy that spend this money, all because say they want package themselves say everything dey okay, na the guy that squander the money through way. Why be say now Yul Edochie can't see that kind of money, he can't use am, he want use am take, he can't use am back, he want use am take please our beautiful queen May. So my country people, Yul Edochie come my people, not be small matter o. Say one user go praise go please our beautiful queen May. My people, they say na so Yul Edochie tell am say since when be say me and you even dey here, nobody dey gree call us again. Since when you take enter my life, you not can understand the kind life when be say they live again. So take can even go beg that outside Nollywood actor say make anytime one shoot movie make it add and joy. We all know say recently get one movie when be say in with that outside guy that they try to shoot. My country people, they say Yul Edochie na go beg that guy say anytime when be say one shoot make it try make future one, because now he not they get money again, nothing at all, nothing. My people not be small matter. They say these people and they beg to, in fact they beg to feed my people. All this one that they do for internet now packaging, now they just they do naughty day. My country people, even the apartment when they dey my people, they say if you enter inside, we my people not know say Mama Rita talk and say he know where Judy Austin they stay for inside Abuja. So we all know the information they our palm. My country people, not be smart you know. So now so you let Edochie come let Judy Austin know say the money when he take buy the car, he even borrow am because of the movie when you want shoot follow this guy. Say in fact the guy even give him part of that money, say anytime when be say he don't shoot the movie finish, he go give him the rest. So the money na still borrow, na the money be, he never ever shoot the movie finish. So he just say may he use am, may use am buy gift to go give our beautiful queen. Whether our beautiful queen will feel pardon and forget the 100 million sue when be say she sue am. My country people, mona see gbege o, mona see something, mona see say Yul Edochie get plan concerning this woman. So my people, not be small matter o. So my people, they say serious fight between Judy Austin and Yul Edochie. Judy Austin say she not care if you like maybe say Yul Edochie our beautiful queen May wetin you know say that money say they not go pay am. Mona see the kind God when be say this Judy Austin gets. My country people, anyway my country people, not be small matter. They say if you see serious fight and Judy Austin and Yul Edochie, they say they get serious gbege for inside apartment. My people, not be smart you know. According to the information, they say Judy Austin even carries wood, say he want destroy that car. Say since Yul Edochie say make the day igbese make dem dey credit, make dem just continue to dey inside credit like that, because you say Yul Edochie no deserve anything good when be say he dey do for am. Me, I no even see any good thing when you don add join Yul Edochie license. When you take enter, na so bad luck na him dey carry come give this man, so tey nobody dey call am for movie again. Anybody when see am go dey reject am, my country people. So I no see any good thing when you add join this man life, when be say you dey threa ten am say this that, or my people, no be small matter o, no be small thing o. They say Judy Austin almost break that car o, so tey Yul Edochie come even lead down the beg am say abeg make no destroy am. Say that car he just buy am, he borrow the money o when he take buy that car. Say if he burst that car, say he no know as he want to pay back. Now he making, now that is the reason why he even put that car for sale, say make him sell am so that he will return the money go give the person where for borrow am, or make he keep the money, make dem see the money dey manage, or make dem keep am dey gather am for the susu money, my country people. I no know how long Yul Edochie want to gather the su money when be say dem sue am, my country people. No be small something o, nothing wey we no go see for internet o. Na all that vaccination na make Yul Edochie come out for inside social media, come begin to dey type my country people. According to the information, they say they no know whether na Judy Austin dey type o, or whether na Jojo na dey type for that page o. Na only God know. We all know say everything about Yul Edochie na Judy Austin na dey in control, na dey control am. Yul Edochie no even get say of him own again. My country people, is a decay. Hey. My people, e don turn to baby elephant. Yul Edochie, na you be this one. Yul Edochie when be say we Nigeria dey use am take dey brag, dey use am take dey boast for everywhere. Our best Nollywood actor. Now it can be this one. So anywhere you put Yul Edochie for ground, so yeah, Mona come buy market too. They will reject am. In fact, they will not even price say how much be this market wanna put for ground. They will just reject am. Pour spit on top. Waka pass. Say this one will be say they don't cook, put am for inside bottle. Now they put say more come buy. Nobody will even price and say how much. How na they sell am, my country people. Not be small matter. Anyway, now what it deserve for this life, now they receive. So they say whatsoever man sow, that is what he will always reap, my people. I don't know as I want to speak that English. Anyway, my country people, now the latest update concerning these two people, now be this one, my people, not be small matter. I beg my people, before I go, Mona not forget to leave a comment. Mona tell us what you think concerning this Yul Edochie and Judy Austin matter. So my people, I will see you guys next time on my next video. Stay blessed and God bless you. Bye bye.